Handle the present with confidence and face your future without fear. Good morning, respected Honorable Principal Sir, Chief Guest Speaker and in charge Principal Ma'am and all the students. I, Ranjan Singh, coordinator of this institution, really privileged to have present task of welcoming the distinguished gathering, and on my own behalf, I warmly and respectfully welcome the today's guest speaker, Mrs. Preeti Sarangi ma'am. We are highly honored that you are amongst us, highly, and we indeed grateful to our graciously and readily accepting our invitation. We are eagerly looking for her address. A hearty welcome to our respected principal of General Adarsh Brahmin Bharati. We are waiting with full of ambulance to listen to your motivational words. Principal ma'am of CGBSE, Mrs. Priyanka Jain ma'am, she has indomitable spirit to maintain the discipline and academic development. My words of welcome goes to next to all to the students. Moving forward, it's our tradition to welcome our invitees with a bouquet with token of love, falling to the head boy, head girl, assistant head boy and assistant head girl to present a bouquet to your invitee guests and all the dignitaries. Does not require an introduction as she is a well-recognized personality in our city, Raigad. She is the assistant professor in Hirorimal Government Arts and Science College. Her qualification is MA, MPhil and PhD in English. She has cleared the PSC in the year 1988. From the last 25 years, working towards the success and achievement. We are grateful to her for accepting our invitation and becoming a chief guest speaker of today's session. I am certain that all the children assuredly wants to be like her. Moving forward, I would like to request our in-charge principal ma'am to give guidelines and motivation to the students. Please ma'am.
Principal sir, our chief speaker, Mrs. Preeti Sarangi ma'am, and my dear students and the teachers. That is one of the important counseling session for the classes 9 to 12. It is very important. You know the importance of the counseling session and the motivation. That is one kind of that motivate the students to push their result in flying colors. My topic is related to the counseling. It also known as talk therapy. You well know skill. It improves the communication skill, and the students will present their problems and their doubts to in front of the class teacher. आप सभी जानते हैं कि फर्स्ट जब आपकी क्लास टीचर एंटर होती है तो वो आपके साथ क्या करती है? That is talk therapy. Means सबसे पहले स्टार्टिंग वो talk therapy से करती है कि आपके प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है, आपके डाउट्स क्या है, यदि क्लास में टाइप्स ऑफ एजुकेशनल काउंसलिंग हर चीज के स्टाफ होते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द काउंसलिंग सेशन. देयर आर 3 स्टाफ, that is directed, non-directed and elected counseling. Like that, in directed counseling, this type of counseling, only counselor plays important role and give the judgment over any problem. It means teachers क्या करते हैं, आपको वो जानते हैं, as a class teacher वो आपके बारे में जानते हैं and they well know your problems. तो वो अपना डायरेक्टली आपका जजमेंट करके आपका रिव्यू लेके उस प्रॉब्लम को शॉर्ट आउट करते हैं. दैट इज द डायरेक्ट काउंसलिंग. नेक्स्ट वन, students work with counselor and sort out the problem. In that case, students share their problems to the teacher and teacher will sort out their problems. Next one, elective counseling. In this type of counseling, counselor offers many alternative solutions of problem from which students could select most appropriate options. यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं कि आपने अपना प्रॉब्लम शेयर किया टीचर के साथ. from the for each and every field. Next one, step of counseling. काउंसलिंग के क्या स्टेप होते हैं? एक्शन प्लान. जब आप किसी भी चीज का कोई हमारे पास प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, कोई डाउट्स होते हैं, तो वी वर्क आउट ऑन द एक्शन प्लान आल्सो. ठीक है, हमको जब उस प्रॉब्लम के बारे में, उस जॉब के बारे में पता चल गया, आफ्टर दैट वी विल प्लान एंड वी विल प्लान द एक्शन प्लान आल्सो. So to the teachers, students will come out from their problem, they are overcome from the problems. जब हम फीडबैक करते हैं, मतलब प्लानिंग करते हैं, उसके स्टेप्स प्लान करते हैं, उस पे एक्शन प्लान पे वर्कआउट करते हैं. आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ देयर डाउट्स एंड क्वेरीज, आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ देयर प्रॉब्लम्स, उनका जो सॉल्यूशन के बाद जो लास्ट स्टेप आता है, दैट इज द कंक्लूजन और फीडबैक ऑफ द स्टूडेंट. जिस भी स्टूडेंट्स पे टीचर्स वर्कआउट करते हैं, जिसके सॉल्यूशन जिसके लिए वो प्लान करते हैं, उसकी प्लानिंग पे लास्ट स्टेप होता है, दैट इज द फीडबैक. स्टूडेंट्स का प्रॉपर काउंसलिंग करने के बाद उसका फीडबैक लिया जाता है, उसके प्रॉब्लम्स, उसकी जो भी क्वेरीज है वो कितने % तक शॉर्ट आउट हुई है. नेक्स्ट वन, ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ काउंसलिंग. हम किसी भी प्रोग्राम को जब ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, किसी भी प्रोग्राम पे वर्कआउट करते हैं या काउंसलिंग करते हैं, तो सबसे पहले हम किसी भी चीज की इंपॉर्टेंस समझते हैं या बेनिफिट समझते हैं. दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. तो काउंसलिंग के बेनिफिट्स क्या होते हैं आप सभी जानते हैं. हमारे स्कूल में ईयरली, एनुअली, मींस 2 or 3 टाइम्स आपकी काउंसलिंग सेशन होती है, बाय द टीचर, बाय द मैनेजमेंट, बाय द मेंटर्स, बाय द पेरेंट्स. ठीक है, तो उस काउंसलिंग का हमको कहां तक हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को बेनिफिट मिल रहा है, और इस काउंसलिंग के व्हाट इज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द काउंसलिंग सेशन. सो टू मेक हैप्पी चाइल्ड इन आवर स्कूल. ठीक है, ये सभी की मतलब एक बोलना चाहिए, हम सभी का हक है, हमारी वो है कि हमारी लाइबिलिटी है कि हम सभी हैप्पी रहें, और हमारा स्कूल इस बात पे फोकस करता है कि ईच एंड एवरी चाइल्ड शुड बी हैप्पी एंड फोकस ऑन देयर गोल एंड अचीवमेंट्स. तो पहला हमारा जो फोकस रहता है, दैट इज मेक टू हैप्पी चाइल्ड, रिड्यूस देयर प्रेशर, mental and physical development of the school and the students also, 360 degree development of the students to overcome from all the problems to achieve their goal and bright future. That is the main objective of that counseling section. Next one. So objective and the benefits, both are the different things. Objective of that counseling section is it can offer supportive and non-judgmental confidential setting in which you can explore ourselves or our issues. Okay? It means क्या? Confidential है. Suppose किसी स्टूडेंट का कुछ डिफरेंट टाइप का इशू है, फिजिकल इशू है या मेंटल इशू है, तो हम लोगों के अंदर एक पीआर प्रेशर रहता है. मीन्स ऐसा प्रेशर रहता है कि हमारी क्लास में ये बात पता ना चल पाए, यदि किसी बच्चे को पता चलेगी तो बुलिंग करेंगे, ये सारी चीजें इश्यूज रहती हैं. तो हमारा जो काउंसलिंग सेशन का मेन पर्पस होता है, उसका मेन पर्पस होता है कि आप एनी टाइप ऑफ योर प्रॉब्लम, मीन्स आपके फ्रेंड प्रॉब्लम है, आपके पीयर ग्रुप का प्रॉब्लम है, आपका पेरेंट्स का प्रॉब्लम या स्टडी रिलेटेड कोई भी इश्यूज हैं, उनको आप इजीली शेयर कर सकते हैं कॉन्फिडेंशियल वे में. इट कैन हेल्प सी इशू मोर ऑब्जेक्टिवली. मतलब जब आप काउंसलिंग सेशन में अटेंड करते हैं, तो उनका ऑब्जेक्ट सिर्फ यही रहता है कि आपका जो मेन इशू है उसी पर फोकस करके उसी इशू को शॉर्ट आउट किया जाए. नेक्स्ट वन, एक्सपीरियंस काफी बिटर हो, उन एक्सपीरियंस से बाहर निकलने में मदद करता है. सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका लास्ट ईयर का रिजल्ट काफी खराब रहा हो. ठीक है, लास्ट ईयर आपका रिजल्ट खराब है, तो इस साल आप कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि हमारा रिजल्ट बेटर है, तो उसको मोर बेटर बनाने के लिए, मोर गुड बनाने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे, आपको अपने काउंसलर से बात करनी होगी कि आप मैं पर्टिकुलर काउंसलर की बात इसलिए कर रही हूँ कि काउंसलर कोई भी हो सकता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको काउंसलर एक स्पेशल काउंसलर. ठीक है, स्कूल में हमारे पास स्पेशल काउंसलर. इट कैन हेल्प यू टू बिकम मोर रियलिस्टिक इन सेटिंग गोल्स. हर बार हम एज ए स्टूडेंट लाइफ हम हर बार एक ही पॉइंट पे आते हैं, सेटिंग योर गोल्स, फोकस ऑन योर गोल्स एंड विजन. ठीक है, हम हर बार यही बात करते हैं कि आपका फ्यूचर, आपकी फ्यूचर प्लानिंग, आपकी कैरियर प्लानिंग कैसे बेटर वे में हो. तो यहाँ स्कूल में जब एजुकेशनल काउंसलिंग की बात करते हैं, तो सिर्फ हमारे टीचर्स का फोकस मेनली आपके फ्यूचर, आपके गोल एंड विजन पे होता है. नेक्स्ट one. Hearing, open-minded, understanding, never judgmental. आप कभी भी काउंसलिंग करते हैं तो वो जज नहीं करते आपको कि ये बच्चा वीकर है, ये बच्चा खराब है, इसका स्टडी पे फोकस नहीं है। वो आपको आपकी प्रॉब्लम से ओवरकम करने में, आपकी प्रॉब्लम से को शॉर्ट आउट करने में फोकस करता है। वो किसी तरह का जजमेंट नहीं करते आपके लिए, वो आपके बारे में अपना रिव्यू नहीं देते हैं। इज इट क्लियर? Listeners offer suggestions and ready to help. Then guest speaker है मिसेस पीटी सारंगी मैम, वो आपको बहुत अच्छे बेटर वे में आपको इन सब के बारे में बताएंगे कि आपके रिजल्ट कैसे बेटर हो। आप लोग ऑलमोस्ट सभी जानते हैं कि हमारे असेंबली में रेगुलर हमारे प्रिंसिपल सर रेगुलर आप लोगों को मोटिवेट करते रहते हैं। ही इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी गुड स्पीकर। तो आप आज इस सेशन में पूरा इसका बेनिफिट लें और इसको अपनी फ्यूचर प्लानिंग में अप्लाई करें। नेक्स्ट वन, मेक हैप्पी, यू हैप्पी until you are happy with yourself first। ये आप सभी को समझना होगा। कोई आपको खुश नहीं रख सकता जब तक आप अपनी इनर स्ट्रेंथ, अपनी इनर पावर से अपने आप को हैप्पी फील नहीं करवाएंगे। इज इट क्लियर? थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Our energetic principal sir to give guidance and importance of this session. Please.
Good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to place my warm welcome to Dr. P.T. Sani, the Assistant Professor of English, and the lesson concern the music. Madam, I have elaborated in very detail, and recently the Priyanka has interacted about the counseling session. And the aim is the better of the type of institution. The student from the CBSE, CGPSE, or the middle class and higher secondary student are included here. And I expect the student can visit SSC, but for the sake of the building of your not only the content and contents and regarding to the people or PG examination, but more than that also. The institution has already tried to give the magical benefits to the part of the lot of queries. I presume so that you will have the benefit to just sort out your problems and how you can just recover your syllabus and how you can give the better and faster to this school also. So I would like to just elaborate some of the specific points to just keep continuing with the touch of this scenario. So first of all, the point of the first, try to build your confidence. It is very much of the necessary. Often I have observed in each and every classes, when you speak or when you read any of the contents, you know the content very well. But while expressing the content, lack of your confidence, some other persons remark and you could not give the proper answer. Why it happens? That is to be pondered and we have to understand it. It is because of that is sometimes you are losing your confidence. So build up the confidence is very much of the necessary. I expect each and every student, category of the student from the middle class, high school and higher secondary, it is mandatory to have you build your confidence. Unless you are confident, you cannot express your answer in perfect manner. So how to build your confidence? Confidence that you try to just justify and try to recognize these competitors and try to know your thoughts. For art's sake of that, you could not understand the content properly. So if you don't build the confidence, then you cannot elaborate the answer properly. And the examination pattern in any of the board, I am talking about the ICSE or CBSE or CGPSE, in very beginning of the instruction has been given, the students are allotted 15 minutes additional time to read the questions. It is psychologically, it is very true also. Unless you just read the question 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, you cannot understand the question properly. Unless you build your confidence. Read the question 2 or 3 times, then you develop your confidence. Then you will be able to express your answer. It is very much of the necessary manual practice also. I observe, students start simply to writing the answer and after that they realize the answers are absolutely not correct. So it is very much of the necessary. First you just know the perfect answer of the questions, then you start to elaborate the answer. So because of that is lack of the confidence, you cannot explain the answer perfectly. Then after that you attend the question properly. Suppose the question number 1 to question number 20 and you observe question number 14 and question number 18 is very completely I can solve. So attend to the particular questions, time more and more. This is very much of the necessity. Next, look at, try to build your confidence. Second question also. Develop your competition spirit. Competition spirit is needed when you just taking any kind of the vision or goal that you expect I have to score this much of the rank of the percentage. Some students have planning. I am to score the 80%, 90%, more than 90%. So you should examine, you should test, and you should observe the class environment also. Who are nearer to me? So make the one of the competition spirit, which is not only the student who are doing better. It is necessary for those students who are sitting at corner and back. They must also to realize, and they must also just part of the race also. All the students must make the such type of the atmosphere to make the group of the students to develop the competition spirit. Competition spirit is necessary to develop your own self. Suppose the one of the student or the group of the student who are category to find the student who never obtain the more than 30 or 40%. But their vision, at least they must score the 60%. So you should build your competition spirit. Try to know why the other student or the group of student is scoring more than that. The group of student is scoring for 50%, or some student is scoring 60%, 70%. So what is the reason behind it? So you should develop your not create this spirit, but the competition also is necessary. Make the computer should be healthy. It should not be manipulated or otherwise. By the wrong method, you just you make intention to overcome or you can just supersede the students. So it should be healthy competition. So competition spirit is necessary in the life of the student. When you just study it, not only the part of the school scenario, the class scenario, but many other. I am talking about when you just study something. The competition spirit is necessary for any kind of activities. The part of activity, academic or non-academic, is scholastic and non-scholastic, everywhere competition spirit is necessary. When we develop the competition spirit, I am always telling the students what should be methodology, how to just develop the competition spirit, what should be method and how to apply it. So it is very much necessary. First you try to recognize the group of students mental level, and after that you just make the environment. That's why we have started the you can say the debate and the discussion competition nowadays in every Saturday falls. So this is the reason because of that is now I am observing the positive attitude and positive behavior about the student also. By seeking this type of the competition, definitely we are focusing the student to develop their competition spirit, and now the management is also very much of the you can say the satisfied of their performance also as the whole person comes to us through the teachers and class teachers. We always analyze the result of any kind of activity, and we study that we found the student are doing better. So it is very much of a necessary student must develop their competition spirit, and spirit must be very affirmative and positive and healthy in direction and guidance by the teachers and by the subject teachers also. So the students, I would like to just convey the message. The students should be the necessary. The students who are sitting here, you must be thinking how to develop the competition spirit. It is necessary to open your book and try to see what the other groups of the students are doing. Accordingly, that you can plan it and you can develop the methodology. So also one day you will supersede the group of the student and you will success and you will score in the top position also. So that is what must and it is necessary for each and every student to just examine yourself, try to analysis, try to create the work of neuropsychology, and since that unless you just make a competition spirit, you cannot supersede and you cannot study properly. It is very much of a necessary to study any of the content of pedagogy. It is very much of a necessary. You must aware of the facts. All the facts, keep your mind open and try to analysis and try to judge and after that act accordingly. It is very much of the necessary. Yes. It is very much of necessary as far as the concentration student of every classes. You must be quite patient. When any kind of a question is asked by the teacher, you should be at least capable to answer it immediately. I have observed when I ask the question to any of the certain student, when I am calling in front of me, they should keep quiet. Although he or she knows the answer, but he could not express. You should be expressing whatever you understand, what you have learned, and whatever the teacher has explained, the particularly explained the topics, you should express some art. Means you should be mentally present inside the classroom. Try to listen, try to learn it, and try to be expressive. And expression does not mean that you memorize on the content, whatever it is written on the book of any other subject. I am not talking about the mathematics or science or social science, English or any subject. But expression should be there. Unless you understand the subject, you cannot express. So you should be expressive. So you should understand, try to be very people concentrate to learn. You should begin your trust, be impressive, be honest. Don't be manipulated, don't be giving the wrong answer. You don't understand, you just only ask the teachers, you don't understand. The teacher has to explain time to time. Unless any student understand, teacher will not proceed. We are not meant by to recover the syllabus, we are meant by the bring the students. I have always been telling the teachers, please bring the student. Syllabus completion does not mean we have the sufficient time. We can get the additional classes, extra classes, teachers are doing nowadays also. But bringing up the student is necessary, so the student must be very honest and responsibility. We are not only coming up to learning the topics. Since there are more than that also, the school has designed a lot of ideas and lot of because our institution is not only the education but it is the research center. I am always telling the students, the school is not only the schooling which we are calling you to make you understand, to make you learn, but more than that also because we are in the field of the work where we are doing the research also. So Gender Abbas Market School is not only the school, it's the research center also. Be honest, be sincere, be responsible. Have your pedagogy, have your topics, have your contents, have your responsibility, have your liabilities, have your duties. It is very much of the necessary. The student must understand the limit of words and articles are unlimited. So try to understand and try to be very positive about this matter also. Just do this syllabus you can say. Most of the students, when I interact, when I try to ask the syllabus, they keep their mouth shut. Because the student could not interconnect with the contents also. First try to know what are the content and what are the contents of your lesson. Try to be very much intermingling with your subjects. Any of the subject you must understand, you should introduce over there by the textbook. If you are asked to just elaborate any of the content, any of the topic, any of the lesson, any of the chapters, any of the places, you can't give the answer because they don't connect with the textbook also. So connection is required. You must understand the content, what actually the things we are studying. Do not wait for the teachers. Teachers will come when the book is start teaching. Then will come to know. Unless there be more than that, when you are sitting at home, when you are preparing at home, also very beginning of the years. The teachers try to elaborate the blueprint. You must read the blueprint. From each chapter, how many of the questions will be covered and will be asked also. So you must know which other topic is very beneficial and very fruitful for us and try to introduce with the content and topic also. It is very much necessary. You should introduce by the textbook also. Because unless you know the topics and content subject first, you cannot justify and you cannot score and you cannot ahead in top position. Because if you are just willing to score the more than 90% or more than that percentage, so you must be very clear introduced with the topics. So all the students are expected, they must be very elaborated, they must be well introduced with your own subject and own topics also. When you come any of the very much of the necessary, I appeal to each and every student, try to introduce and try to know from which chapters and what are the contents are very important. Sometimes what happens when teachers start taking the books and after that they start over 6 these topics are very important, then you come to know. But before that you should begin at first, yes, these chapters are very important and these other topics are very difficult also. So how to make it easy by trying to interact with the teachers, then you can give the present and past inside the classroom. This is said to be classroom management. So then you should introduce with the topics very intermittently. Be laborious and dedicated. It is necessary, 100% energy, you cannot get the 100% of result also. So be laborious, try to design your routine and you at least read the more than 6 hours per day. So this type of the, you can say the result, the fruitful result as we are expecting for each and every student, then you can recover it. So dedication is required, hard labor is required. You will be laborious, hard worker. Try to know if you feel any of the subject is too difficult, subject of the mathematics, subject of the science, you should be very high level. You can say with the plenty of the time behind the difficult subject also. So be dedicated and be laborious. It is very much of the necessary, especially I am talking about the hard subject. Some students are feeling this, all the students have the different choices and different interests. So accordingly, you please to give the maximum time to hard subject which you feel to study time and time and more and more. It is very much of the necessary you decide. So this is my humble instruction to all the students. Please justify, be dedicated, be sincere, be expressive, be honest, be proud, and be sincere for your pedagogy, content, and syllabus, and be hard labor also. Hard labor does not mean to simplicity for the 8 hours, and after that you come to know the 8 hours you cannot remember the 8 hours. It is not mean. Even if you sit for the 2 hours, no matter. But you just see, learn more and more. This is my last point. Try to be good learner. As you just know, so strict tutelage and it is in equation of education. This is the slogan of the institution, and this is already the teachers have been elaborated. The scholastic tutelage, the part of the acquisition of education, how much of the attention we pay. You, the learners, have a lot of responsibility, we of duty. When the teachers are coming to have the better strategy of the part of economics or to update the economics scenario, how much of a percentage are giving the responsibility to teachers? Are they giving 100%? Sometimes the teachers are very disappointed for the performance of the student because of the slow learners. The student, if you are the slow learner, no matter, but you give the proper response, and then the teachers will just come to know, and that's why the teachers can design the syllabus according to the level of thinking, level of expression, level of education, the undergrowth. So these are the things that the student must be learn more and more. Try to just elaborate more and more. If you just take the science, you know the lot of concepts are there, theories are there, doctrines are there. So a lot of expressions are there. The student in your advice to try to learn from the more and more. That's why I am always telling you one textbook is never sufficient. You just have the references, you can go through the references, and then you come to know the thousand of the ideas, the thousand of the hundred of the methods to express your answer in skillful manner. Because this is the era of the competition. You will see how the computers are presenting the answers. So these are the necessary. You should be quite learner, cooperative learner, and cooperative learners also. When you learn something, try to just explain the atmosphere of the classroom. So each and every student must have the first to learn it. So these are the things I think all the students will be keep essentially and get their advantage and listen essentially. Now with the student, I am well aware, we are waiting for your very speaker. Definitely you have a lot of dedication, and there is a last I would like to talk in every student, each and every student who will learn understand, please ask the doubts and have the clear of the speakers, and the important point which you feel should be written in your book also. So this will be very easier when you study somewhere and you getting any kind of hindrance, this will be start out and you will be part of the solution. So these are the things from my side. Thank you, the student, to listen essentially. Thank you and God bless you.
Now, I am pleased to request our today's most awaited guest speaker to give guidance and motivation to our student. Please, ma'am.
The teachers who are present here and my dear students. It's a matter of immense pleasure for me that I got this opportunity to address you all here. How are you? See the last person? Okay, thank you. Because I believe that if you don't have a very positive attitude, or if you have a very good personality, then you are not going to be a successful person. Now, what is a personality? Is it personality is your dressing sense? No, certainly not. Okay, then what is personality? Attitude towards everything in life which we come across every day in life, whether it is a success or it is a failure. Okay, how do we react to never thought that we will meet anyway, maybe, because nobody works to fail in life, okay? Because whenever we study, whenever we work hard, whenever we do anything, it is just to be succeed, okay? But it is not always that we are successful in life. There are moments when we meet failure in the midway and we are quite disappointed, disillusioned, maybe react. They keep calm. They will look downwards. Why? What is it? It is the fear. Fear is something which pulls you back. And it actually never lets you come forward. Wherever you are stagnant. And you know, stagnancy is something which tends to rot thing. Okay, रुका हुआ पानी सड़ता है, बैठा हुआ पानी प्योर रहता है, सड़ता नहीं, ठीक है? तो how to overcome the fear? Why do we fear actually? Why do you fear? Can anyone tell me? Okay, feel free to talk. This is an interactive session. I don't believe in giving lectures. One-side lecture is very boring. Okay, so tell me, why do you fear? हम डरते क्यों? Whosoever it is, he fails to answer or he holds himself back because he thinks that people will be judgmental about him. लोग क्या कहेंगे? Never think about it. Be yourself. Okay, you may be wrong. And especially in front of a teacher or among students, the student, if you are at the same platform, he may, even if he laughs at you, there is no harm. आपका कुछ जाता नहीं है उसमें, कोई चीज चिपक नहीं है. Okay, so feel free to speak up your mind. In that way, what will happen? You will gain confidence. Slowly, you will be growing into a very confident person. हमने अभी हमारा फंक्शन चल रहा था, बहुत सारे के पार्ट किया, सिर्फ एक ही में कुछ नंबर लगा, सबने हार गई. I enjoyed the process. I enjoyed the process of playing, being with other people, talking to them, interacting to them. That makes you confident. Okay, next please. Your personality. You must have an optimistic attitude in you. Now, what is optimism? Optimism is something which makes you look towards the brighter side of even a negative situation. If you have learned and it develops with time, you can practice it. Even if at this, see yourself that there are some few bruises in your hands or leg. So, be thankful to God that you could have broken your leg. Okay? This could have a worse situation. So, be thankful to that. That is a positive attitude in a negative situation. That is optimism. So, when you are optimistic, what happens? The results are that you are confident, you are charming, then you are happy, all the time you are happy. You are healthy, because you are happy, so you are healthy, and you are successful. Why? Because you have learned to look towards the positive side of everything. That is why you have learned to overlook the negativity around you. Okay? And that makes you happy, healthy, and successful in life also. Next, please. Then how to become optimistic? How we can grow into an optimistic person? That is, start thinking positively. I have spoken about it earlier also. Then the second thing, which is very easy, is compliment others. Like if someone has stood first and you have stood second, you were competitors, but still go and congratulate him. Okay, compliment him that you worked hard, so you stood first. Okay, then practice gratitude. I have spoken about it right now, that you met with an accident and you are grateful to God that a worse situation was, He saved him, your be grateful. And when I usually teach about these things to MA students also. And sometimes students ask what to be grateful about. There are many things. Many things are that in the morning when you get up, you should be grateful that you are still hale and hearty. You people are very too young actually right now, so you cannot understand it right. After this corona, I have seen many people whom I have talked the previous day, and the next day I came to know that he passed. Okay, so he had a heart stroke and he died on the spot. So this happens, it can happen to anybody nowadays. So we should be thankful to God that we are hale and hearty in the morning. We have this air and sunlight. Think about the people in Delhi. The students are sitting at home. The schools are closed up till 5th grade because the air is too poisonous. So we are grateful that our city, in spite of more than 75 industries around us, our air index is still breathable. Surround yourself with happy people. Practice forgiveness. Very important in life. Very important. Practice forgiveness. Why? Because someone has done you something wrong. Okay, at that time you are very hurt. You are thinking about settling the score. Many times it happens, I'll settle the score later. But what happens? That person hurt you once, and whenever you saw that person, you thought about settling the score. So you hurt yourself thrice, fourth, fifth, I don't know how many times. So who is hurting you more? That person or you forget? You will forget. Then you will be happy. So it is better to be happy. So forget and forget. And if you can, you help others. If there is an old person who is trying to looking here and there in order to cross the road, you can offer him your help. Can I help you? And it is, of course, when you help others unasked, then it creates a very good impression of yourself, and from inside you also are very happy. And when you are happy, you grow confident and more optimistic towards life. Lastly, laugh more. All the time. You should have a big broad smile on your face. That makes you a very very charming person. Yes, please. There is a law of attraction. It cannot be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. And this whole world is actually a form of energy. Okay, so our thoughts are also energy. In our culture, it is said, शब्द ब्रह्म है. इसलिए सोच के बोलिए, है ना? कि आप कभी नहीं जानते कि आपका बोला गया कब सच हो जाएगा. ठीक है? जब भाषंती मानव तद भाषंती देवा. जैसा आप बोलते हैं, ईश्वर वैसा ही करते हैं. So all the time, speak sweetly, not about others, but about yourself also. Whatever you want to be in life, think about it. Okay? Think about it. Because this is positive energy. When you do this positive energy, it makes you successful in all walks of life. In this regard, I would like to talk about APJ Kalam sir. You know who he was? Yes. Okay. So Kalam ji actually, who has read Wings of Fire? Have you read it? Yes. Very good. It's a very good book. Everyone should read this book. All the students, everyone should read this book, because in this book, APJ Kalam sir, because it is an autobiography, he has let the readers know that he wanted to go into Air Force actually. He wanted to be a pilot. Okay? And he was rejected. When he went for that interview in Dehradun, he was rejected, he was not selected, and he was very disappointed at that time. He went to Ganga, took a dip, and he was sitting very sadly. by the side of Ganges. One sadhu was there, a holy man, and he asked, and then he said certain things. I will read them out. I could not make a slide of that. With regards with this law of attraction. With desire, then it stems from the heart and spirit. That means when you think anything from the depth of your heart, when it is pure and intense, possesses awesome electromagnetic energy. This energy is released into the ether each night as the mind falls into the sleep state. जब आप सो जाते हैं, रात में सोते समय जो एफर्मेशन लेते हैं आप, और सोने के बाद ये जो जब आप नींद में होते हैं तो ये जो थॉट है वो एनर्जी है ना, हमने पहले बोला वो एनर्जी है, तो वो पास होता है इसमें स्लीपिंग स्टेट में, वो ईथर में जाता है. Each morning it returns to the conscious state reinforced with the cosmic current. Okay, that which has been imaged will surely and certainly be manifested. So whatever you think every day, रोज, और हर कोई जानता है कि what APJ Kalam has done for aviation industry and that thing. Okay, though he could not go to become a pilot, but ultimately he went there क्योंकि वो बहुत दिल से उनकी ये इच्छा थी उस इंडस्ट्री में जाने की, और चूंकि उन्होंने उसको मैनिफेस्ट किया, बार बार सोचा, हर रात में सोते समय सोचा, और फिर वो साधु ने उनको बताया कि ये कैसा होगा. ठीक है, so this is what you can do, whatever you want in life, okay, to be successful, to have very good grades in your exams or anything which you like. Think about it daily, that I can do it, I can do it, I will become this, I will become this, I will pass this exam with flying colors. Okay, and then, but only thinking is not sufficient. No, मैडम ने बोला कि सोच के सो और बढ़िया काम के 7 बजे तक सो गए और फिर बैग वैग जमाया और कॉलेज स्कूल आ गए. हो खाते हुए देखिए, सोते हुए नहीं. ओके, और सोते हुए सपने भी ऐसे होने चाहिए, इतनी शिद्दत से सोचिए उसके बारे में कि आपको नींद ना आए, रात में भी नींद ना आए, आप उठ के बैठ जाइए. जब इतनी लगन होगी, इतना परसिस्टेंस होगा, है ना, तब कहीं जाके आप उस चीज को क्लियर कर पाएंगे. When I was doing my PhD, okay, 2005, I was awarded my PhD, and it was I think 2003. When one day one of my colleagues, senior to me, very senior to me, he said कि प्रीति, जब तुमको सोते जागते उठते बैठते सिर्फ पार्टीशन सूझेगा ना, तब तुम समझ लेना कि तुम्हारी PhD होने वाली है. And that was word by word true. It happened with me when I was on the verge of submitting my thesis. Actually, I could not think of anything else. पूरे समय दिमाग में वही चीजें चलती रहती थी, and I used to jot down things. पूरे समय मेरे पास एक पेंसिल होता था जिसको मैं एक छोटी डायरी में वो थॉट को लिखती थी, and I used to elaborate it later whenever I was on my study journey. Okay, so उतनी लगन, उतनी शिद्दत आपको रखनी पड़ेगी अगर कोई चीज को अचीव करना है लाइफ में. तो एंड इट इज पॉसिबल, यू कैन डू इट, एवरीवन कैन डू इट. एंड नेवर एवर बी जजमेंटल अबाउट योरसेल्फ कि अरे मैं तो नहीं. डोंट पिटी योरसेल्फ, कभी भी मत करना है. डोंट पिटी योरसेल्फ, ऑलवेज थिंक दैट आई कैन डू इट. आई मे बी अ स्लो लर्नर, ओके, आई मे बी अ स्लो वर्कर, बट आई कैन डू इट. आई हैव सीन स्टूडेंट्स when they took admission in MA English, I thought that they are going to fail in the first semester. Somehow they cleared first semester, and 2 of my students, I have seen examples, they topped at the end of the session, 4th semester, they topped the class. One of my student, she was admitted, that means took admission, she was given admission at the very end when the admissions were open. Like she could not make it in the merit list. जब एडमिशन ओपन हो गया, ओपन हो जाने का मतलब होता है कि 4 सीट बची है और जो पहले आया 4-5 लोग आए उनका मेरिट बना. ऐसे में उस लड़की का एडमिशन हुआ था. तो शी वॉज अ गुड स्टूडेंट. आई डोंट नो हाउ शी secured so low percentage or such good less marks. That is an enigma for me. But Now she is a teacher in an Atmananda school. Okay, she taught the class. So you cannot say, you never know how anybody can turn into a very successful person or a very successful student or a very good learner. Okay, it happens with time. It happens with your gene of learning, gene for learning. Okay, now कि कब वो आपको सोता छोड़ के आगे निकल जाएगा. So this works. To succeed in your mission, you need single-minded devotion. This also I have explained. If you fail, never give up, because fail means do not take small aims. Okay, why? My mother used to tell me, look towards the sky and stars. Try to achieve stars. If you fail, at least you will be on the topmost branch of a tree. Okay, so always aim high. Okay, so this is how we can turn ourselves into a successful person, a charming personality, a learned one, and be successful in our life with lots of happiness. Okay, and lastly, before saying thank you, I must express my gratitude towards the school administration and all of you dear students who have patiently listened to me and that enjoyable session. I hope everyone has enjoyed a lot. And if you have any doubts, any questions in your mind, you are free to ask.
In front of those people who are greater than us.
Who are greater than us?
Who are greater than us.
First of all, never compare yourself with others. Okay? Your comparison should always be with yourself. Never ever look beside you. Okay? People, you may have or you may be surrounded by many successful people. Okay? When you will look at them, you will feel very downcast. You will feel, you will have frustration. Because maybe they are very successful. Like you are playing cricket and you will look towards Virat Kohli and Sachin Tendulkar and Sunil Gavaskar. You know that you are not in a position to compete with them. So don't look at them. You look at yourself. कल मैंने 50 रन बनाए थे. Next I will try for a century. This should be your attitude. Then only you will be succeeding in life. Okay? Anybody else?
How we choose a appropriate aim, because we have many aims that we want to become IAS and IPS other things, a great politicians. So what steps do we have to keep in our mind that we have to take this appropriate aim?
Is very important. Okay, in your personality, and then I said that persistence and hard work. You have taken an aim, look towards that aim, work towards that aim, just Arjun saw only the eye of the fish. Okay, so you just have that one aim in your mind and then find out what are the ways to succeed in order to achieve that position in life. If you want to be a great politician, okay, take for granted, you must know the politics of our country, must know the political science of political rules of our country, you must know the locality in which you are living, you must know the people of that country, and you must be aware of the geography of that area. And then, nobody becomes a great person in one day. You have to take steps. Okay? पहले नीचे के लेवल से आपको ऊपर चढ़ना होगा. You have to have that much of patience in life, and there is no one to stop you. Okay. Anybody else?
That's common. I want to ask a question that profile building is more important than personality building. Because both play an important role in our life. So which one of the topics more important in our life? Is profile building or personality building?
Okay. My session, I told you that personality doesn't mean dressing sense or being beautiful or roam between very high standard people, high class people. This is not personality. Personality comes from inside. Okay, it is your attitude towards things, and that means you are having a very positive attitude towards everything. And if you are thinking positively, having a positive attitude about everything, you are definitely going to have a very good profile ultimately. Okay?
The main of the goal.
You will have to study yourself. What actually do you want? Whether you are influenced by someone else who is doing the same thing and you want to be that person, or you want to do that job, or you want to achieve that place, or it is something which you want from inside, which is inside you. Because if you are looking at someone else, influenced by him, you want to do that thing, it will not last for a long time. थोड़े समय के बाद आपका मन टूट जाएगा, आप उसे बंद कर दो. पर कोई चीज जो आपके दिल से निकलती है ना, वो आप लंबे समय तक करते हो. क्यों? आप उसको एंजॉय करते हो. I always tell my students, because we have in MA English, we have students coming from a different background. That is, science people are also there. Students from commerce are also doing their MA. Many students who are not, who have never studied literature, like CBSE, you study literature, but in CG board they don't study literature. But CG board students are also there. Then what happens? I always tell them, you have taken admission because you could not get admission in any other stream or MSc, but because now you have taken admission, either you love there are two situations. Either you love the subject, then it's okay. If you love the subject, you are going to enjoy it. But because of some compulsion, if you have taken the subject, then start loving it or leave it. Two things are there. Because आप थोड़ी पिक्चर जाते हैं ना, 3 घंटा पिक्चर देखते हैं, 3 घंटा आप झेल लेंगे उसको. आपको मालूम है कि 3 घंटे के बाद मैं निकल जाऊंगा यहाँ से. पर MA में डाल दिया आपने सिर अपना, हम उसको ओखली बोलते हैं हम लोग, है ना. हम लोग बोलते हैं ओखली में सिर डाल दिया है, मुसल से मत डरो, पढ़ो. बहुत रगड़ के पढ़ाते हैं. ठीक है, तो वो क्या होता है आपको पता है. पर 2 साल वो निकालना हम लोग के जैसे टीचर्स के साथ जो घिसते रहते हैं बच्चों को, है ना, वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. तो या तो आप जो चीज़ों को आप बदल नहीं सकते जिंदगी में भी, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू चेंज द सिचुएशन, स्टार्ट लविंग इट. अपनी लाइकिंग डेवलप करिए, अदरवाइज यू आर गोइंग टू डाई फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. क्योंकि लाइफ में बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि आप साइंस पसंद नहीं था, मैथ्स पसंद नहीं था, इंजीनियरिंग की और इंजीनियर बन गए और नौकरी भी कर रहे हैं, तो आपको पूरी जिंदगी बितानी है भाई उसमें. तो उसको लव करना, लाइक करना नहीं शुरू करोगे तो कैसे जीवन बिताओगे? पागल हो जाएगा इंसान, है ना. तो 2 ही सिचुएशन है, आइदर डू व्हाट यू लव और लव व्हाट यू आर डूइंग.
As you said that you should do what you love. You should do what you love, and actually I love a lot of things. I like to write, I like to read books, I like public speaking, I like social science, maths and everything. So what should I choose? Because there are lots of things.
That depends on you. Something which is continuously inside you. There are many things. Like I give example of Honey Singh. गाना सुनते थे ना हनी सिंह का, कभी सुनते हो क्या? नहीं सुनते ना. तो कोई ऐसी चीज जो अभी आप पसंद कर रहे हो या आपने 7th grade में पसंद किया, अब नहीं कर रहे हो, इसका मतलब वो आपकी लाइकिंग नहीं थी. दैट वॉज अ टेम्पररी फेज ऑफ योर लाइफ. समथिंग विच इज स्टिल इनसाइड यू, जो 5th क्लास में भी था, 7th में भी था, अभी भी है, दैट इज योर लाइफ. यू कैन टर्न इट इनटू अ पैशन.
Thank you.
My question is that how to stop repeating the mistakes? Because I know my mistakes, what I am doing it. But sometimes the situation becomes like I repeat the mistake, same mistake again I repeat it. Ma'am, how to stop that?
Human. Okay, गलतियाँ करना इंसान का ही काम होता है. But when you realize and then practice it, if you think that you are repeating the same pattern, तो उसके लिए आपको उसको practice करनी पड़ेगी. Like just for an example, there is a long spell. आप बार-बार उसको गलती करते हो बोलने में, है ना. Sometimes what happens, जब आप पढ़ते हो ना तो आपको लगता है you will read it in flow, but when you read it in front of everyone, you stuck there. वो निकलता नहीं है आपके मुंह से, या गलत बोलते हैं. What to do? आप अकेले में उस वर्ड को तोड़ के पढ़िए. लंबी स्पेलिंग है, 12 alphabet है उसमें 12 alphabets or 14 alphabets are there, divided into three parts. What I mean to this was an example. What I mean to say is, if you are finding, you are observing that you are repeatedly committing the same error, same mistake, that means it has turned into a habit and it takes a little more effort and time to discontinue that habit. Okay? उसमें आपको स्पेशल ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, उसमें बहुत
Secret of success. You have just now reached what you have practiced. I assure that student of Jindal Adarsh Ramya Bharati follow in your footsteps to reach the star. Thank you.
So today our school has arranged a special counseling session for us. We will very thank you for this. So in this counseling session, first of all, this thing I understood that हमारे सबसे बड़े काउंसलर हमारे मिस्टेक्स हैं. हमें सबसे अच्छा हमारे मिस्टेक्स से सिखा सकते हैं और कोई नहीं. सो मिस्टेक्स को हमें सुधारना पड़ेगा. एज मैंने मैम से क्वेश्चन किया था इस चीज़ के बारे में एंड शी एक्सप्लेन मी वेरी वेल एंड आई ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव माई सेल्फ फॉर फर्दर. What the counseling sessions actually means. She also told about the talk therapy. That means if we have any problem, then we can sort out by talking to others or any counselors or friends. Our friends can also be our counselors, no? And
Vibes and the positive environment among the student and the teacher. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. One of that word that is popular among the students and all over, that is reading. So one of the thought come in mind in just everyone should read in positive vibes every day. You know that word, reading. Okay. So every day you should read in the positive vibes and create the positive environment, positive gratitude, positive things in your life. Thank you, students. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Head girl of our institution, Janvi Sharma, for vote of thanks.
I am Janvi Sharma. First of all, I present my huge thank you to Mrs. Preeti Sarangi ma'am for her valuable and motivational guidance. All this will help a lot in our upcoming future. Again, thank you so much ma'am for giving your precious time to us, and the way you explain the things is truly appreciable. The topics you have covered and you explained it very important in our life, and we will apply it soon. Personality development is very important. The most impressive words are during this counseling sessions are: don't think about log kya kahenge, be yourself. You forgive and forget, you will be happy. I will apply it in my life soon. You are truly an inspiration and charming personality, ma'am. Thank you for sharing your golden words with us. Thank you so much, ma'am. The way she explained the meaning and objective of counseling is very understandable. The way she guided us is truly mesmerizing.